Hello everyone, I have some very exciting news. There's some new software that's come out. Basically, they found a way to connect the DJI goggles to your Android phone. So I'm gonna put a link inside the description and you can see if it'll work. It actually doesn't work on my phone, so I kind of cheated a little bit with this picture, but hopefully it works for you. So try it out. The link is in the description. Hopefully it'll work for me soon, but if it works for you, happy for you. Yeah, subscribe and join me on my FPV journey. I'm pretty new, having fun. Analog and digital, and staying sub 250, that's what's going on here. This is just a big new update, so I thought you'd appreciate knowing it. This should work for V1 or V2 goggles. I don't believe it works for Apple, but hopefully something will come out soon that is better. They just figured it out, like I think a day or two ago, how to get it to work on the computer. But very soon it looks like we're going to be having it on our mobile devices. So I'm very excited for this, and I think, yeah, lots of people are, so yeah, hopefully it works for you. Yes. Yes.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!